far right. And then rotate your head to the far right. Until you yawn, sigh, or swallow. This could again take up to 30 to 60 seconds. Even if it takes longer, you can come out of that back to center and then go again to the same side. Often when you're coming out of this rotation, then the yawn, the sigh, or the swallow will occur. I've noticed that sometimes happening. There's some yawns. Okay, so we're gonna do the half salamander. It's the same thing. We're moving our eyes to the left, but we're gonna rotate to the right. So it's this way, and it's a little tricky. It's like doing this at first, but start with the eyes and get them really moved to the left and get them fixed far left as you can, but then rotate your head to the right until you yawn, sigh, or swallow. And then back to center. We'll take our eyes and move them to the far right. Not our head, just our eyes. And then rotate your head to the left. Half salamander. Try to keep your breath normal, breathing. There it is. I can also feel my eyes get this big rush with the yawn that keeps coming up. It's interesting, the feedback. So that's set 2 for the rotation of the neck and the half salamander rotation of the neck. The third one is the tilt. So we're gonna move our eyes this way towards our shoulder, clavicle, like that. Not our head, it's hard to do. Hold your head still, but move the eye like it's gonna look at this, something on the shoulder, and then tilt your head in the same direction. Try to let the opposite shoulder stay relaxed though. Try not to pull up on the shoulder. It's just the weight of your head, actually. Keeping your breath nice and smooth until you yawn, sigh, or swallow. We're going to be asleep after this. Same thing on the right side. Our eyes are going to tilt down towards our shoulder, and then our head will follow the eyes. Keeping the eyes really moving to the right. Till you yawn, sigh, or swallow. Okay, and then last is the half salamander tilt. Okay, so it's gonna be, we're gonna move our eyes down to the shoulder, to that shoulder, to the left shoulder, but we're gonna tilt to the right. So now our eyes are going up towards the ceiling. Really keep a stretch. Not a forced push or anything, just a little stretch in the eye. To yawn, sigh, or swallow. There it is. I can also feel my abdominals activated. So see if you can become aware of these different body functions as the sigh or the swallow or the yawn starts to arise. And then come back to center when you're ready. And now we're going to tilt or move our eyes to the right shoulder down, but our head is going to go to the left shoulder. And now our eyes are gazing towards the ceiling on the right side. Nice, slow, smooth breathing. Until you yawn, sigh, or swallow.